Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I'm here with the video of English 2nd for class 6th. In our last video we have completed the exercise part and the explanation part of the chapter 4, which is the miracle. And today we are going to do the in-text question, quick answers and reference to context first part of the same chapter. Starting our today's video with the in-text question of chapter number 4. First question is on page number 60. What did Charlie buy? Why did he grab it? Identify the group of words that describes how Charlie felt when he ate the chocolate bar. So in this question we have to answer that what did he order? What did the boy Charlie order? And why did he grab it? And also how he felt when he ate that chocolate bar. So Charlie bought a bar of Wonka's Whipple's Scrumptious Fudge Mellow Delight. This was the name of the chocolate he ordered. He grabbed it because he remembered how much he had loved the chocolate at his last birthday and could not wait to eat it. So he was very excited to eat it because this was her favorite chocolate. And when Charlie ate the chocolate bar, he felt sheer blissful joy. He was very happy after eating the chocolate. Next question is on the same page. What does the group of words heart stood still mean? So the group of words heart stood still means that someone's heart stopped beating because of feeling strong emotions. So sometimes when we actually if we are actually happy about something, or we are sad about something, or we are shocked, all right, so we can say the phrase that my heart stopped beating for a while because I was so surprised to see that. Next question on page number 61. Why do you think the people were so excited? How do you think Charlie felt when people wanted to buy the ticket from him? So now we have to write why we think that the people were very excited. So the people were very excited because Charlie had won the golden ticket. Everyone had been waiting to find it for themselves. So in this, like general people, like normal people, they wanted that golden ticket for themselves, but they were excited to see the golden ticket when Charlie finally got it. Charlie must have felt nervous when people tried to buy the tickets from him. He was extremely happy to have found the ticket, and hence he could have felt discomfort when people coaxed him to sell it. So actually he was very nervous of because he actually won the ticket, and then he was very scared or very anxious because people were actually coming on him to sell the ticket, and he did not know what to do. So the text questions are over. Now coming on to the quick answers, which is on page number 62. A plot is the map of a story. A plot has a beginning, middle and an end. The most exciting or intense part of a story is called the climax. Which of the following sentences is the part of the most exciting part of the story? So first one is, the shopkeeper put Charlie's change on the counter. Take it easy, he said. It is a golden ticket, screamed the shopkeeper, leaping about a foot in the air. You know something, the fat shopkeeper said, pausing a moment and smiling at Charlie. I have a feeling you needed some luck. So what out of these three incidents, what happened at the last? It is a golden ticket, screamed the shopkeeper, leaping about a foot in the air. So you will take it. Now coming on to the reference to context. Okay, so reference to context first. Second one is, Charlie went on wolfing down the chocolate. He couldn't stop. So this is the line that has been taken from the book. Question number 1 is, what do you think wolfing down the chocolate means? So we have to write the meaning of the phrase that is used, wolfing down the chocolate. So the wolfing down the chocolate means eating the chocolate in large portion at a time. When we eat more than half of a chocolate in one bite, that means wolfing down the chocolate. You can use this phrase in your normal conversation also. Next is, why do you think he couldn't stop? Why do you think he couldn't stop? Because it was his favorite chocolate. It has been mentioned in the story that it was his favorite chocolate, and he just remembered. He was so excited to eat that chocolate because he just remembered how it tasted last year. So Charlie couldn't stop because he liked eating the chocolate a lot. Next, how did he feel after eating the bar of chocolate? So, if you eat something that you like or you have been craving for a very long time and you finally get to eat it, how are you going to feel? You'll be happy? So, Charlie felt extraordinarily happy after eating the bar of chocolate. With this, I'm going to end today's video here itself, because since this is the last chapter, I'll be giving you the rest of the question answers in my next video. I hope that you have been reading the chapter on your own and learning the question answers, and I also hope that you have done the word meanings of this chapter. I also request you to please complete your work till this question, and I will see you all in my next video, and then we'll complete the syllabus of our half yearly examinations. I'll see you all next week. Thank you. Keep studying.